guys, welcome back to Toy Notes with me, Kelsey. Today we're supposed to be playing with a fidget spinner, except I don't really feel much going on in this package, except there's a little bit something down here. So this is a blind opening. I have no idea what's in it. Let's go ahead and see. Ooh, okay, so this is going to be kind of an alternate fidget toy. This is the Rings fidget. So if you watch closely, you kind of are able to move these rings in and out of each other with these bearings. It's like a acrobatics magic trick or something. It's not as satisfying and easy to do as some of the others, but it is a way to keep both hands busy, I guess. Very lightweight, small enough to fit on a key ring or in a purse. But I don't really know how you would play with this with one hand, to be honest. I guess just like that, just kind of like push and pull. I always feel like I'm on the verge of breaking it or something. Not sure this one is my favorite. So guys, hopefully you had fun looking at this alternative fidget style toy with me. It's not my favorite just because it's kind of hard to do with one hand. I find it easier to do with both hands. So guys, hopefully you enjoyed looking at this alternate fidget spinner toy with me. This one isn't my favorite just because I feel like you need both hands to do it successfully, and it just doesn't feel as satisfying. I think that's kind of the whole thing with me with fidget spinners, is if they're good or not, whether or not it's like truly like sensory satisfying to sit there and play with it. And this one just doesn't hit the mark for me. Hopefully you guys will stick around for the rest of the Summer 17 Spinner series by hitting that subscribe button and giving a big thumbs up. We always appreciate it. And until next time, y'all, bye!